In this quick guide, I will show you how to install macros in DaVinci Resolve. Macros are custom fusion tools that let you apply complex effects and animation in just a few clicks, saving you time and speeding up your workflow. So let's dive in. First, go to the Fusion page, open the Effects panel, then click on Templates. Next, click on this three dots menu and select Show in Finder. If you are using Windows, the process is exactly the same. A folder window will open. From here, go back to your macro files and simply copy and paste them into this folder. And that's it. Whenever you want to install new macros, just paste the macro files into this location. Now, go back to the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve and search for the name of your macros. It should appear here in the Effects panel and to be ready to use. That's all for this quick guide. Subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and tutorials.